In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a domain on Cloudflare. This process is pretty straightforward, and by the end of this video, you'll have all the know-how you need to successfully register your very own domain through Cloudflare. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open your browser and head over to the Cloudflare website. Once you're there, you'll need to log in to your account. If you're not already a member, you'll have to sign up, which is really simple and only takes a minute. But assuming you already have an account, let's move on to logging in. Once you're on the login page, you'll see an option to continue with Google. This is a convenient option if you'd rather not type in your credentials. Simply click on Continue with Google, select your Google account from the list that appears, and you're logged in. Easy as pie, right? Now that you're logged in, you want to go to the domain registration section on Cloudflare. Don't worry if the dashboard seems a bit overwhelming at first glance, it's quite user-friendly once you get the hang of it. Locate and click on the Register Domains option. This will take you to the page where all the domain magic happens. Here comes the fun part, picking your new domain name. Type in the desired domain name into the search bar that is prominently displayed. It's worth spending some time on this step to ensure the name is just right for you, whether it's for a personal project, a blog, or a business venture. Once you're happy with your choice, it's time to search for its availability. Just click on search and Cloudflare will do the heavy lifting for you. After the search is complete, a list of available domains will be presented. Take your time to peruse the options available and select the one that best suits your needs. Once you've made your choice, click on confirm to proceed with the purchase. At this stage, you'll need to fill in your registrant information. This is the part where you provide your contact details, including your name and address. Make sure to double check all the information you enter to avoid any potential hiccups later on. Next, you'll need to provide your payment details. Cloudflare generally accepts a variety of payment methods, so you can choose the one that is most convenient for you. Fill everything in accurately to ensure a smooth transaction. Finally, once you've filled in all the necessary information, click on Complete Registrant Information to finish the registration process. And just like that, you're now the proud owner of a new domain name registered through Cloudflare. Congratulations, that's all there is to it. You now know how to purchase a domain through Cloudflare in just a few simple steps. I hope you found this guide helpful and straightforward. Thank you for joining me today, and happy domain hunting.